chemistry practical second, that is which is under the volumetric analysis. Aim for this practical is to prepare m/50 solutions of a oxalic acid. Using this solution to find out the molarity and strength of the given KMnO4 solutions. These KMnO4 solutions which having the unknown molarity and unknown strength of that KMnO4 solution. By performing these practicals, we have to know that the by calculation we have to calculate the molarity and the strength of KMnO4 solutions. For this experiment, we have to consider the KMnO4 which acts as a self indicator, and the endpoint for this titration will be the colorless to the just permanent light pink color. For this titration, the overall chemical reaction will be the 2 KMnO4 molecules reacts with the 3 H2SO4 molecules and 5 molecules of oxalic acid. It gives the K2SO4, that is the potassium sulfate, MnSO4, that is the manganese sulfate, and 8 molecules of H2 with the evolution of the 10 CO2 molecules. For this reaction, KMnO4 which acts as an oxidizing agent, which oxidizes the 5 molecules of oxalic acid to a 10 CO2 molecules. For this in this reaction, KMnO4 which acts as an oxidizing agent, and the ionic equation for this oxidation reaction will be the permanganate ion in presence of acid, that is 8 H plus ions plus 5 electrons, which is required to reduce the permanganate ion from oxidation state plus 7 to oxidation state plus 2. There is a reduction of Mn ions from plus 7 to the plus 2 oxidation state by the gain of the 5 electrons by the Mn atom. And the second step will be the loss of electrons by the oxalate ions, that is the 2 electrons which is lost from the one single molecules of the oxalate ions, and oxalate ions which converted into the CO2 molecules. For the balancing this chemical equation, this ionic equation, the first step will multiplied by the coefficient 2 and second step will be multiplied by the coefficient 5, and the overall overall reactions for the ionic equation will be the 2 permanganate ions in presence of 8 H plus, which is provided by the acid, that is H2SO4, which is provided by the acids, and plus which reacts with the 5 oxalate ions. It converts it into 2 Mn2 plus ions plus 8 water molecules plus 10 CO2 with the evolution of 10 CO2 molecules. There is oxidation of the oxalate ions to form and CO2 molecules by the Mn permanganate ion. For these practicals, there is an observation table. Observation table includes the serial number which having the successive reading which getting by the practical performing the practicals. In that there is the initial burette reading, that is the initial burette reading from which we have to start the practicals. Then final burette reading, that is the volume of KMnO4 which is required to the oxidation of the oxalate ions to the CO2 molecules. This is a requirement of the KMnO4 solutions to perform the oxidation of the oxalic acids. And while after getting the volume of the KMnO4 we required to for oxidation, then we have to calculate the molarity of KMnO4 solution. From balanced chemical equation, we know that the 2 molecules of KMnO4 which is required for the oxidation of the 5 molecules of oxalic acid. For this reaction, that is the M1V1 is equal to the M2V2 is equal to the 2 by 5. That is M1 means the molarity of KMnO4 solutions. V1 means the volume of KMnO4 solution, that is the burette reading. And M2 is the molarity of the oxalic acid, and V2 is the volume of oxalic acid which is prepared out during the practical. Next will be the from calculation of M1, that we have to calculation of M1 is equal to the 2 divided by the 25 into x. X will be the burette reading, final burette reading, that is the congruent reading, that is the successive readings. We have to getting the common reading, that is called the congruent reading. Next we have to calculate the strength of the KMnO4 solution. For the strength of calculation of the strength of solution, which is required the formula of molarity into the molecular weight. There is a calculation of the M1 into the 158, that is the molecular weight of the KMnO4 solution, and M1 is the molarity of KMnO4 solution which have to calculate in the first step. Therefore the strength is equal to 2 upon 25 into x into 105. It gives the value of the strength of the given KMnO4 solutions. And And finally, we have to write the result for this overall experiment. That first we write the molarity of KMnO4 solution is we have to calculate it, and second will the strength of the KMnO4 solution is also calculated from the these practicals.